Welcome to our tutorial about the constructor method. The constructor is a special method which doesn't return any value. It just contains code which runs as soon as an object is created. Let's take a look at our example. We have the public class person. In line 6, we've created a new object, a person. Now let's say at this point we want to initialize our variables. From the method name list, let's select New. The new constructor method is inserted right here. Now let's type some code. Underscore name equals Bob. And close quotation. Underscore L name, last name, equals Smith. Now, as soon as we create an object, a person, both variables will be initiated. Let's go to our form. We're going to comment out these two lines. Let's run our program. And here's our message, Bob Smith. We'll close. Let's actually put a breakpoint here and run the program again. As soon as I click the button, we step in. We go right to Sub-New. Now both variables get initialized. And this concludes our tutorial on the constructor method.